Listen and practice English.
Please pull over to the side of the road.
Of course, officer. Is something wrong?
Yes, you were driving over the speed limit.
Really? I did not realize I was going that fast.
The speed limit here is 50 miles per hour.
How fast was I driving?
You were driving at 70 miles per hour.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was in a hurry.
Where were you going?
I was on my way to an important meeting.
I understand, but speeding is dangerous.
Yes, you are right.
Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I check it.
Okay, officer.
Everything looks fine.
Am I getting a ticket today?
I am giving you a warning this time.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Please slow down and drive safely.
I will. Thank you for the warning.
Have a safe day.
You too, officer. Goodbye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
I notice your car is very dusty.
Yes, it is. I have been too busy to clean it.
If you like, I can wash your car for free.
Really? Why would you do that?
I am practicing my car washing skills for a new business.
That is very kind of you.
It will only take about 20 minutes.
Are you sure you do not want any money?
No, thank you. I just need more experience.
Well, that sounds fair.
Great. Do you have a water hose I can use?
Yes, it is in the garage.
Perfect. I will get started right away.
Thank you. The car really needs cleaning.
I can see that. There is a lot of dust on it.
I drove on a dirt road last weekend.
That explains it.
You seem to know a lot about cars.
I've been working at a car wash for 6 months.
That is impressive.
Okay, I'm finished. Please take a look.
Wow, my car looks brand new.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Good luck with your new business.
Why are you looking at your phone and smiling?
I found an old photo of us.
Really? Show me.
Look at our hair in this picture.
Oh, wow, my hair looks so funny.
Mine looks funny too.
We looked very different.
Yes, but we looked very happy.
This was our first trip together.
Yes, I remember it.
We got lost many times.
That is true.
And you did not ask anyone for help.
I thought I knew the way.
But you were wrong.
Yes, I was.
We had a lot of fun on that trip.
Yes, it was a great trip.
We should go on another trip soon.
That is a good idea.
We can take new photos.
Yes, and this time we will not get lost.
I hope so.
Me too.
Wow, your phone camera is really good.
Thank you. I bought this phone last month.
The pictures look so clear and bright.
Yes, I use it for photos all the time.
My phone camera is very old now.
Are you thinking about buying a new one?
Maybe next month after I save some money.
This model is good and not too expensive.
Does the battery last long?
Yes, I charge it only once a day.
That sounds perfect for traveling.
It is. I used it during my vacation last week.
Did you take many pictures there?
Hundreds of pictures, especially at the beach.
Now I really want a better phone too.
You should check the electronics store nearby.
Good idea. Maybe they have discounts this weekend.
I hope you find a great deal.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. The bus is very crowded today.
Yes, many people are going home from work now.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I use it for work every morning and evening.
I am new in this area.
Really? Where did you move from?
I moved here last week from another city.
Oh, welcome to the city then.
Thank you. People here seem very friendly.
Most people are kind and helpful here.
That is nice to hear.
Are you here for work or study?
I came here for a new job.
Congratulations. I hope everything goes well for you.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Oh, this is my stop now.
Okay, have a safe trip home.
You too. Goodbye.